Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Honda Fury. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 Honda Fury with 7,745 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket exhaust heat wrap, grips, mirrors, an LED headlight, aftermarket turn signals, a vertical plate bracket, a passenger seat, passenger foot pegs, and a radiator guard. Powered by a 1312cc V-twin engine, the Fury puts 54 horsepower and 75 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 3.9-gallon fuel capacity, the Fury has around a 150-mile range. It has a 26.9-inch seat height and a 665-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire state inspection, this Fury will need turn signals with sufficient visibility in a DoD-compliant plate bracket. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire state inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear is at 330 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a crack in the end of the muffler, a cracked front turn signal, and scratches on the rear fender. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.